Okay, hi, thanks for stopping back by the channel again. Today we're going to be making char cloth. Basically all I've done is I've got an Altoids tin, the hole popped in there so the gases can escape. Took a t-shirt, chopped it up into little 2 to 3 inch squares. We're going to put it in there. So we got our fire going already. Put some more wood into that. Okay, and so we have the can in the fire, and as you can see, right there, there's some gas or flame popping out of it. Now you want to leave this go until you see the gas or flame stop popping out of the top of the can. I didn't make a big fire for this. So I'm doing this on my back porch. Now, I've made this once before, and I know it looks like that might be on fire, but that's actually just the oxygen coming out of there hitting the flame. Alright, so I'm going to let this go until it's done, and I'll be right back. Okay, now our fire's pretty much out, so we're going to let this sit for a few minutes till it cools. That way, if you open the container and it's still in the process of charring on the inside, it might actually ignite from the heat and the oxygen once it hits. So we'll go ahead and open this up in a minute. Okay, and so it's cooled off now, and as you can see, it's gone from that pink t-shirt to nice charry black. And this is just my second batch, but I used a piece from the first to actually help start this fire. So it did work, and it did catch the flame, or catch the spark pretty much right away. And so, great addition to your fire kit. Thanks for stopping by the Green Man's Lair. Have a great one.